I'm going to start with a magic ring. I can show you quick. See if I can show you how to make this magic ring. So I usually use my 2 fingers. This is the same way as how I make a slip stitch onto the hook. So we're going to, all right, see if I can do it slowly. We're going to wrap the yarn around our fingers, like so. Then we'll wrap it around again. So it looks like that. Take our hook. We're gonna come up underneath this first strand and go over this other strand and hook it up like this. And kind of leave your loop loose like that. Make sure I grab the right end. Kind of like using it to hold it open and make a chain. Leave it open, and then now we're going to put our single crochets inside this loop. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now to close this loop, we have this other tail here. Pull the tail, and that will close the loop. Cinch it tight. And it tightens it up probably better than the ring. Okay, and now I showed you how to do the magic loop.